How's it going, everybody? My name is Brandon Gibson. I'm the owner and developer of the Megalo Global Network. And some of you have asked me before, so I'm going to get this right off the plate. Yes, I am the cousin to the actor Mel Gibson. I get that one all the time asked me. I don't know why, but they do. Anyway, so that's not the topic for today's discussion. Today we are going to be doing a virtual walkthrough of the Megalo Global Network. And the best way I can describe that is it is an all-in-one internet technology solution designed to combat big technology. Now, you're asking yourself, why would we need that? Well, we are based on two very important things: privacy and free speech. Now, I don't want anybody going off on a political tangent, because anytime I normally state free speech, they go, oh, you're just another right-wing platform. And I want to get this off the table. We are non-political. We do not take left or right's side. We are not bought out by politicians. We are not here to play dictatorship like Facebook does. A lot of companies out there that start social media platforms and various other technologies seem to have a political agenda in order to exist. I don't see a point in having a political agenda, because nowadays it's just a total nightmare, and I choose not to be involved in it because it's more relaxing and less stressful. Now, this platform caters to everybody. It is an internet technology solution for everybody. When it comes to politics, the left has just as much right as the right. Facebook, they like to cater to the left and not the right. Matter of fact, they will censor you if you even condone the right. Now, that's the whole point of the Megalo Global Network. It is America's first all-in-one global internet technology solution designed to be for everyone. And this is our search engine. Now, it has many different features that you can use. This platform is our base. It is our landing page for everything that we have built. And the more we build, the more we will add to this. So, unlike most search engines out there that are not considered Google or, something big, pull their results from either Google or Bing. Now, if you go to the Brave search engine, which comes with the Brave web browser, they actually pull their results straight from Bing, which means they're not crawling anybody, they're just pulling off their own crawl. So instead of actually crawling websites themselves, they just have a feed directly to Bing and pulls its results from Bing. We actually use the APIs that are used for that same purpose in Google and Bing to crawl. We don't just read, we crawl. And sorry about that, about my microphone. Anytime you search on the Megalo Global Network, you're technically pulling from our index, because our index is built by crawling those competitors. We have 4 search engines that we crawl. For obvious reasons, Google is the first one, Bing is the second one, Mojeek is the third, and DuckDuckGo is the fourth. Now, we are building our own search index by crawling those 4 search engines. Instead of just pulling a feed, we are crawling and building our own index. So the sites are always being crawled, and Google is constantly being crawled. So it will build our own index. So let's go ahead and we're going to type in our social media platform that you can find right here on the Megalo Global Network. Megalo Social is our Facebook competitor. Now, for obvious reasons, our landing page is the search engine. See how it crawled? It pulled results from everybody. That's why it does that. It crawls all 4 search engines to create its own index and compile all this into one page. Well, that was just unnecessary. Somebody with a Harley is deciding to do some reckless stuff. I apologize. We are in the Midwest, and that is popular here. Okay, so we're going to click on Megalo Social, which is our search engine. You log in, and booyah, there it is. You can message people just like you do on Facebook. You can do everything you do on Facebook. The only difference is we do not censor people. And you can post just like you do on Facebook. Now here I'm going to kind of highlight some of the benefits of using the Megalo social network. You can have unlimited friends. Facebook limits you to 5,000 friends. You can have unlimited friends. You can have the whole world as friends if that's what you choose to do, if you're willing to take the time to do it. Currently, Megalo Social has 14,000 users, and we launched officially in January. We were having a lot of technical problems leading up to that, but now that we got all the bugs in the site fixed out and everything is performing properly, we are finally stable. Now, this is our social media platform. You can click down here, you can go to a news feed. The news feed, by the way, everybody sees the news feed. The difference is on Facebook, whenever you post something and it shows up, you can only see what you are seeing based on who you're following. So you can't see anybody until you follow somebody. Once you start becoming friends with people, that's when you start seeing news feeds. Ours, everything is thrown into the main news feed. So everybody on the site posting all hits the same news feed. So technically you're seeing everybody's posts, not just the ones you follow like on Facebook. And also, Facebook has limited people in what they can do. Like for example, okay, I used to have a pretty big following on Facebook. And I had several hundred thousand followers. And when Facebook was like, oh, you have too many people. You have too many people following you, so we're going to drop all those followers. It went from several hundred thousand to 12 in a matter of an hour because Facebook didn't like the fact that I had a huge following. And I have met the guy, and he's arrogant. I don't like him. But Mark Zuckerberg has this mentality of, I own Facebook. Therefore, everybody in the world has Facebook. So I own the world and I am God. And if you don't do what I allow or what I say, or you can say what I allow, I'm going to put you in Facebook jail because I don't like your beliefs on something. That is how Mark Zuckerberg runs Facebook. We don't run our platform like that. Facebook spies on its users. Outside of the newsfeed, we have no ability to track our users. Our users are endless. But we don't spy on them. We have no ability to monitor them. We don't even have the ability to see private messages that people post. If you send a message to another user, we do not have the ability to see that. Unless you screenshot it and report it, we don't have the ability to see it. So there's no way for us to spy. The only thing that we can do as an admin is access your posts. I can edit your posts, delete your posts. I can basically censor what you post on here, but not that I'm going to. Really, the only thing that we have had problems with are spammers and scammers going on here and posting scams. Or we'll get people who want to sell naked pictures. We ban that stuff immediately. This is a family-friendly platform, and we have the minimum age is set to 13. So we do not want that crap on the platform. Excuse my language. So we're going to go ahead and kind of dive into the many social media features we have here. You can create voice notes, upload videos, upload a file like a PDF if that's something you want to post, create a poll, colored posts. Colored posts are cool. Say, I hope everyone is enjoying Megalo Social. And there's the colored post of the day. I just posted my own little colored post. So there it is. You can post and do everything you do on Facebook, but the difference is you're going to view a lot more people, you're going to see a lot more people, and you're going to connect with a lot more people. And there is no restrictions. And we don't have any kind of political censorship, which makes it a gold mine for marketing companies. Now, another area of this particular deal is advertising. You can go to your ads manager and you can run ads, just like you do on Facebook. Okay, but you have to top up your wallet in order to be able to run ads. We don't do verification, so we don't ask for IDs. There is currently 14,500 596 users on the platform. And if you select all, you can literally select the entire world and run an ad. Facebook only lets you run ads in certain regions, and you have to go through ridiculous guidelines just to be able to run global ads. Now, our click is 5 cents per click or 1 cent per view. Your $50 top-up, which is our minimum, will go a lot farther like that, simply because what does Facebook charge for clicks? I believe it's like 98 cents to $1 now per click. And if you ask me, that is just ridiculous. I don't like that. That's too high, too much. You can replenish your wallet and then you can run an ad. And another beautiful area is every time you post, you are gaining points. And the points can be transferred to your wallet. You post enough, get enough points. If you get $50 in points, you can eventually move those points to your wallet and run an ad based on that. So you're earning ad and ability to boost. You're earning virtual money by using the platform in general. So you can literally run an ad and it'll be based on the points you've accumulated by posting. I believe if you post like 10, 11 posts, that becomes $1 right there. So you post enough, you'll eventually get $50 and be able to pay for your own ads. And we're going to go back to the search engine. We're going to go ahead and drop down our menu here, right? We're going to go to the other links. We have a video hosting platform that does pretty much everything YouTube does, including importing YouTube ads. Let's go ahead and log into it. There's a house fire that happened in our neighborhood recently. Here is our commercial that we built for the cybersecurity company. Hacker Hellstorm is the name of our cybersecurity company. There's our cybersecurity commercial for Hacker Hellstorm. Hacker Hellstorm is the name of a cybersecurity monitoring system that we're building to secure the Megalo global network from all the hackers out there that seem to want to take us down. Okay, so we have uploads and imports. let's go to YouTube. We're going to pull in just some random video, and I'm going to show you how that works. Super easy, because we want the ability to cross-reference our competitor. Yes, we consider Google a competitor big time. Let's do a, I don't know, Dire Straits video, I guess. Money for Nothing's a good song. Let's do Walk of Life. That's another good one. Click on the video.
Switch to Chrome to protect yourself from
I hate ads.
so you can surf
Don't we all?
without
But
getting
hey,
fished.
fortunately they pay for things.
Fast, safe, your
Import. Fetch. Music. Select your category, and it imports all the keywords for you too. And booyah, there's your video imported directly from YouTube. Or you can just flat upload a video. Upload the video, add your title, add your graphic, and unlike YouTube, which automatically selects a graphic based on your video, ours is manual, and we do that for a reason, because a lot of people have their own graphics that they want to upload as a advertising image. Like the background that you see before you click on the video, that's the graphic I'm referring to, and they can upload their videos. 2 gigabytes is our max. That's what our servers upload to. You can select different things. We're working on adding movies here as well. So base it on whatever categories you want. Move and expand your menu bar. We got different videos all up in here. And you can do everything you can on YouTube and a lot more. So we're going to go ahead, and that was pretty straightforward. Let's look up our web tools, see what web tools we have. Now Google Analytics is a damn good program too. I went ahead and set this up for myself because we like our own analytics tools. Now you got different services all throughout here that you can do. You can backlink ping, security tools, malware scan of a website, Google AdWords scraper. Got different utilities for meta tags and various different things that marketing companies would have a field day with. We provide them all for free, by the way. There's no cost to any of this. Visitor analytics is a good thing because people love visitor analytics. You can check how many people actually check your website, do website analysis. Visitor analytics should have pulled up some websites. Oh yeah, we are charging for the advanced features, but that's different. I was under the impression we were going to do this for free. Some of it is. We'll have to edit that. I apologize. That's got to be removed. Visitor analytics, social analytics, domain tools, server information, DNS information, check the DNS of a website, auction check for different domains, IP address information, your basic security tools for your IP systems, link analysis. We got page status checker. It'll check to see if a link is active and monitor that because some links go dead and they don't work anymore. Google correlated position. You can check where your keyword positions are. There's literally a lot of tools in here that marketing companies would love, and I believe it is the marketing companies that we're going to be charging for this stuff, but not all of it. If you are just a basic user, you can have up to I think 20 domains for free. Anything more than that is going to become a marketing package, so we are charging for some of it because after all we do have to charge for stuff. Okay, now our newest thing is web hosting. We have literally unlimited cloud web hosting. One package for everybody. Now, a lot of people are like, hey, you know, we can try this and do this, and you get a dedicated server that'll handle this, but we have our own control panel, so we can literally control how much server space we use and our different resources. This is our demo. And I know that a lot of people are used to cPanel, which is the industry standard. This is a demo. So it doesn't technically have the ability to It doesn't have any kind of copyrights with cPanel, but cPanel is the industry standard, and in colleges they actually teach classes on how to use cPanel. So you can look at all this, and it won't affect our websites. It's complete dummy information. But you got your database, file managers, tools, emails, edge cache, which is a global cache of our servers. So imagine having our main server is in Dallas, Texas, right? Now imagine you're looking at the website from around the world. So let's picture it in the bathroom mirror complex. The bathroom mirror complex is you stand in front of your bathroom mirror and you're looking at yourself in the mirror, right? Now imagine taking that same mirror of yourself and mirroring it to 100 different mirrors all around the world. And on those mirrors all around the world, the people who are looking in that mirror can see the reflection of yourself in Dallas. An exact copy. Same with websites. We call it a global edge cache, which allows the website to be viewed all across the globe as it is in Dallas, which makes people in the UK or Germany can load your site faster. Instead of having to wait for the load time for the website to go from Dallas to bounce it up to a satellite, the satellite to shoot it to the other side of the planet, down to that satellite. Then from that satellite, it'll go to your internet service provider, and then you can see it. That takes forever, and some people don't like slow page times. Load times are annoying when they take forever, right? So we have a global edge cache to solve that problem. Statistics, distribution. You can block your website from being seen in other certain countries, like we unfortunately block India. Why? Because 90% of India is all scammers, and we don't want that stuff on our network. They have entire call centers out there dedicated to becoming IRS scammers, and we don't want those people on the platform. Sorry, but Africa, Middle East, and India are blocked on the Megalo Global Network because of the scam risk. And in fact, it's not our choice, it's our insurance company's request that we block scamming countries. So that's on them. We can't have our cybersecurity insurance if we don't follow their rules. You got a sitemap generator, redirects, PHP MyAdmin for importing databases, remote SQL maintenance mode, subdomains, domains, DNS manager, SSL is free, 100%, malware scan, SSH access using SSH keys. You can do pretty much anything. And we have a one-click install system very similar to a Softaculous installer that you find on cPanel. We have different PHP platforms, PrestaShop to make your own shopping network, PHP Mailer in case you need a newsletter system. And now that's another benefit to the Megalo web services that we have is, okay, so when you go on different hosting companies, you go to like shared hosting and you get HostGator, for example, which is one of the oldest, most popular hosting companies on the planet. They cap you out at 40 gigabytes. I believe it's 40 or 50 on their highest package. Now, they're like, okay, well, who wants limitations? For one, not me. And then the servers are limited to how much server space you can have, and then they're limited to how much resources you can have, and then they limit you to like 50 emails an hour, and if you run a newsletter system, that's not very good. So let's say you go to Megalo Web Services, what's the difference? Our servers are truly unlimited because we control them, we have them, we own them, we manage them, we sell them. And we don't have 100 cPanel limit, like cPanel has a 100 reseller limit, then you got to buy another subscription. Not us. You can literally have as many servers as you want and as many people on there and websites as you want. No limit on the server space. No limit on how many emails you can send out an hour. And we're going to go up to our other competitor. Let's go to Namecheap. That's one of our competitors that are big. And you go to a shared hosting company, right? Let's go ahead and hit up, let's go to hosting and click shared, see where that is, right? And obviously they're cheap, very cheap. Look at this, for almost $5 a month, and you get 50 gigs of space. I don't know about most of you, but we have phones with more storage than that. Mine does anyway. Mine's got 128 gigabytes of space. That's only 50. And what they don't tell you, and this is what irritates me with Namecheap. You go on here and they say unlimited websites, unmetered SSD, which means we don't cap out your hosting. But yes, they do. They do cap it out. They just don't tell you until after you buy it. Yes, it's unlimited disk space, but they give you a file limit, and you can't send more than 100 emails an hour. Dude, we send out 2 million emails every week through our newsletter system on the news network alone, News Binge Media. That's our news network. We send out 9.2 million emails every Sunday. A system that rigs you to where you have only limitations will not suffice in that situation. So Namecheap says they are unmetered and they're unlimited. Yet they don't tell you till after you buy the server that, yeah, the drive space is unlimited, but you get capped out for how many files you can have. They call it an inode limit of 300,000. That may sound a lot to a lot of people, but come on, WordPress alone is like 52,000 files. And that's without the website. Nobody wants limitations. So to break the barriers, Megalo Web Services will no longer be housing dedicated servers or shared hosting with fake limitations. We are truly unlimited, which means you get a server with us and you are truly unlimited. So we're going to use a domain that we obviously already own. These are our rates. For every 3 years, every 2 years, every year. Every 6 months, every 3 months, monthly. So this is what our rates are. But what separates us from the competition is we are truly unlimited.